Porky Pig made his first appearance in the 1935 cartoon I Haven't Got a Hat as part of a cartoon vaudeville-like team of Porky and Beans. Beans, a cat, only lasted about 5 cartoons before he was quietly dropped from further cartoons as Porky's star rose. The following year, 1936, featured an almost insane array of different styles and versions of the stuttering pig, both in terms of age, size, and proportions. Imagine if this had been done with Mickey Mouse early on. It's crazy. It wasn't until Bob Clampett's animated version starting in 1937 that Porky began to be portrayed as being a cuter, more diminutive young adult cartoon pig with a proportionally bigger head and smaller belly and overall body. Going forward, this was the version of Porky that stuck. From that point on, through the 1940s, Porky became one of the most popular cartoon characters in the world. And since then, Porky has gone on to star in over 150 animated shorts, along with countless specials, TV series, as well as movies, including the 2 Space Jam blockbusters, as well as Who Framed Roger Rabbit. Porky, known for his catchphrase, "Uppity, uppity, uppity, that's all folks," has been ranked as one of the 25 most famous cartoon characters of all time. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full video on how to draw Porky and Daffy Duck from Robin Hood Daffy, as well as hundreds of other lessons.